Hey everyone, Sylvia here, and welcome guys to my Viralable video, PLR Viralable video review. Alright, I am on the sales page of this Viralable video product, and I wasn't too sure how to pronounce it, but I think that's the way, Viralable, like viral, right? Viralable, because these are like PLR videos that you can use for all kinds of shorts on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, social media reels, and stuff like that, okay, which come with PLR rights, so you can resell them. There's a lot of ideas on how you can use them for your own business. You can use them for your clients and this and that. Okay, we'll go more in detail into what this product has got to offer. Now, just to let you know that it is launching today on the 17th of May at 10 a.m. New York time. It's 7 days launch, and the launch ends on the 22nd of May, midnight New York time. So just be aware of that, because after the launch is finito. The price of the front end, for sure, I'm not sure about the upsells, but the front end will go up. Now, here I have the review access. I'll show you what this product looks like. This is what you would get once you've bought the product, okay? And then you just go to access Viralable video. You would just click through, and then you will have access to all the video files from here, and also like inside of the members area here. What is this pop-up? It's quite annoying. Anyhow, so inside of the members area, as you can see, first you have instructions on how to download the files. Okay, you would click here to download the Viralable videos, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like in a second. Here you have some important information about also PLR rights, what you can and cannot do with these videos. And then we have here some cool videos on how to download, install, and I mean the videos, and how to, for example, how to open a template file, how to replace video or image in those videos, okay, how to customize text in the template, how to replace audio, how to export video. So you can really do a lot with these short videos, and you get some extra bonuses as well. So yeah, not only are you getting the videos, but also so much nice cool training as well comes with it. Now let me click through here and show you the downloadable files. So as you can see there are hundreds and hundreds of them, okay, so many in various niches, as you can see here to the left: age, amazing, anniversary, attitude, best, brainy, change. So loads of different niches, as you can see: failure, fear, imagination, learning, thankful, science, positive, and you can see the size of them. So now you can download them, I believe, download them all, but I really recommend click through here one by one individually, and download in them separately, because otherwise it's gonna take you ages to download pick I presume you'll just go by the niche and then pick the ones you need. So that's what the members area looks like. And I forgot to mention that this is a product by Nelson Long, a vendor who creates very good quality products, very often to do with designing stuff, videos, and this and that, okay, to be honest. 4 stars on Warrior Plus, over 4.2. People like his products a lot, okay. He provides great support as well. I know that whenever I reach out to him as an affiliate, he always gets back to me, gives me the review access, and it's very accessible. So that's very important. Now here, what else did I want to mention? Yeah, and his products most of the time come with PLR rights. Okay, so that's personal label rights. Now, what I want to show you guys is also the bonuses that I have for those who decide to pick up this product via, well, hold on, via the link below my review. So once you click through, where is the buy button? Maybe it's not here yet because it hasn't really gone live yet, but let me just find, no, here. Click here to join. Okay, as you can see, it's launching in almost an hour as I am shooting this review, but obviously it's gonna take me time to upload it on YouTube. So once you buy it by clicking this link here, you will also be able to access my bonuses from inside of your Warrior Plus account. And guys, I'm giving you really nice bonuses, which I think I thought about what would complement this product, and I'm actually gonna give you access to desktop vertical video training by Mark Hess. Now, I did buy giveaway rights to this training course because I know that I used it, I bought it myself, I use it, I implemented the knowledge from this training course. It's a full-blown training course, as you can see, and you get instant access to it if you pick up Viralable videos, the front end alone, via the link below my review. So you're getting this one, and also if you decide to pick up any of the upsells, and we'll go through the upsells, I'm gonna also give you access to effortless video editing by Mark Hess as well. Another vendor I appreciate, I like a lot. Okay, I like his products, the quality of his, stuff. So yeah, I'm happily sharing them with you, and I think you will be, so well off with these training courses. And this one is again like on video editing powered by AI. Okay, so this is another full-blown training on using this super cool AI powered software editing tool to make your videos like amazing. Okay, you can do amazing editing with this editing software, and there are not many like tutorials or anything to do with this particular editing software that would explain how this product actually works. So this training course will come in very, very handy. Now, and then also I'll give you some access to some cool training courses: traffic endgame, email marketing, secrets and toolkit, lazy commissions, and these ones you get on top of just the front end. Okay, so now let's go back to the sales page. Now I'm not gonna be spending much time. Well, it basically says what it is. So here, let's just read through the headlines. He says, Nelson, get instant access to hundreds Viralable videos with full PLR rights. Big collection of emotive videos that will go viral easily with full PLR rights that you can use to generate viral traffic, grow social media, or sell as your own, and keep 100% of the profits. Okay, so they are 100% in-house designed and brand new. All right, and here are some of the features. I'm not gonna read them out, guys. The link to the sales page will be right below my review, but it does go without saying that those shorts are very trendy these days, and they help generate traffic, as he states here. Like, these videos are short and ultra engaging, perfect for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Facebook, and Instagram Reels. You can use them as they are, or customize, and you do have like the school training inside of the members area on how to customize them. You can put your own branding and then to them, and then post your logo, stuff like that, and then post them to watch those viral traffic storm your site, or use them to boost your social media following. Yeah, they're trendy these days. That goes without saying, So okay, cool. I'm just gonna show you some like examples of you can actually preview them. There are some samples they put on the sales page. So let me just show you one that I thought it was pretty. I mean, all of them are really nice. I like the one about fear. Okay, let me just play it for you. Hold on. Yeah, cool, right? Nothing in life is to be feared. It is only to be understood. You know what? I just could not agree more. Yeah, I have a lot to say about fear and how it destroys people's lives, you know, when we are fear driven. I mean, there is healthy fear, obviously, and there is fear that paralyzes you and switches off your common sense, I would say. So yeah, through understanding, we can stop through trying to understand whatever there is that we are afraid of, fear, you know, we can make the fear disappear. Anyhow, that's getting philosophical. And here are the niches in which you have the videos, right? Like age, amazing, anniversary, attitude, best, brainy, change, communication, dead, design, failure, fear, imagination, learning, life, motivational, positive, science, thankful, war. All right, so, and here are some ideas on how you can, you know, use these videos and use to make money as well, obviously. And again, click through here to buy, and plus you're getting my bonuses if you decide to buy it from me, guys. Now, do familiarize yourself with the PLR license rights, what you can and cannot do with these videos. And because of, read about the refund policy as well. Because of the nature of this product, okay, you download them. Okay, so it's not like they will block your access to those videos after you've downloaded them, right? So make sure you do want them, because you will only get the refund if there is actually something wrong with the product, okay? Otherwise, you're not getting the refund because of the nature of the product. Just because you've changed your mind or you've decided, oh, you don't really want them or need them or like them. Well, you know, and that's obviously fair enough, because you have a lot of information here on the sales page, transparent, to the point information, what this product is all about. You have you can preview them, so you know what you are getting. All right, so now there were a few, I think there were a few. Actually, let me go to Warrior Plus, because on the JV page, the funnel was not presented clearly enough to me, but here we have the prices, okay? So let me just pop myself up here. And now, the variable video, the front end is 1670 at the moment, okay? And then you will have a bump on the front end for $10 basically, a quote blowout with some quotes that you can also, that will probably go nicely with these videos, because quotes are also like a trendy thing, okay? And you can use them for those videos to customize the videos. You can use all kinds of quotes. Then will be, the variable video supreme for 47, and you will have a bump on this one, the quote blowout ultimate for 17. Then you will have the light version, so just fewer videos, for 37 of this upsell, the first one, the variable video supreme, okay? So the downsell will be variable video supreme light. And then the upsell number 2 is either monthly, $19.90, so $20 monthly, for the big product store monthly ultimate, or the big product store one-time ultimate. Okay, that's like Nelson's membership, okay? So the one-time payment would be $147. That's all of the information I have. I don't have more information on the funnel, guys. On the upsells, now I would say that once you have purchased the front end, just go through the upsells, through the sales pages to the upsells before you will be able to really access the front end. You will be offered these upsells, so pick what you want, leave what you don't want. That's all I can say. All right, guys, so that was my variable video, well, PLR variable video by Nelson Long review, okay? And just to remind you, a recap on my bonuses, splendid bonuses, which you will love, and especially these two will really like. I put my mind into it, because in a way, when I was selecting the bonuses, because I really wanted something that would give you like a leg up and complement this product. And I think, yeah, the desktop vertical videos is all about creating shorts as well, but in a cool way that you can actually create vertical videos from your laptop. And trust me, I use the knowledge from this training course myself all the time. I mean, I have created quite a few shorts now. You can go check them as well. And Mark has, in this desktop vertical video training course, really shows an amazing way to create very, very fancy YouTube shorts, that's for sure. And you can obviously repurpose them and share them across your social media accounts, use them for TikTok as well. So you will love them, and you will also love this effortless video training course as well, with the use of this AI-powered software, which is free, by the way. All right, so love you and leave you, and see you soon. See you soon. See you soon, Moon. No. See you later, alligator. In a while, crocodile. I don't really know what I'm talking about. Okay, bye.